In today's mathematics class, myself Surjit Dubey present here with the graph of sin x and sin inverse x. आज हम लोग सीखेंगे कि फंक्शन ऑफ x इक्वल टू साइन एक्स और फंक्शन ऑफ x इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x का ग्राफ कैसे प्लॉट करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम लोग जो है वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं एंगल और साइन x का। जैसे फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में 0, π/6, π/4, π/3, π/2, sin 0 0, sin π/6 0.5, sin π/4 0.7, sin π/3 0.86, sin π/2 1. So we get here ordered pairs. By taking these ordered pairs, take here minus π/2 on x-axis. On x-axis take here π/2, minus π/2, π/2. Here 0. So 0 to π/2. Put value here at π/6 0.5, π/4 0.7, π/3 0.86 and π/2 that is 1 and joined by loose hand. We get curve from O to B. In the same manner, in second quadrant, decreasing value but positive because 2 π/3 is pi minus pi/3. Sin pi minus pi/3 is equal to sin pi/3 again. So in the same manner we get same value 0.86, 0.86, 0.7, 0.7, 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0. So height will be same 0.86, 0.86, 0.7, 0.7, 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0 and plot the curve. And same manner in fourth quadrant decreasing but negative sign and so on. इस तरह से आगे बढ़ते रहिए। इसके पीछे भी बैक साइड में देखिए इधर नेगेटिव पोर्शन minus π/6 plus π/4 minus π/4 minus π/3 minus π/2 we get some value but with negative sign due to fourth quadrant -5 minus -0.5 minus 0.7 minus 0.8 minus 1. Now range of the by joining we get the curve like this. It is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So domain of the function for function of x is equal to sin x, domain of the function is real number. Range is on y axis -1 to 1 and codomain is given r. Codomain is given r. So here we find range of the function is not equal to codomain. That is why this given function y is equal to sin x is not onto in this domain. And think about 1 minus sin minus pi 0, sin 0 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0. So for many elements pre-images in domain we get same image in domain. That is why it is not 1 1. That means function of sin x is neither 1 1 nor on 2. So inverse is not possible. So for plotting sin inverse x we need to make restrict the domain, that is minus pi/2 to pi/2. It is better. There are so many intervals minus 3 pi/2, minus pi/2, minus pi/2 to pi/2, pi/2 to 3 pi/2 like that. But we restrict from minus pi/2 to pi/2. So our graph is AOB is invertible because it is 1 1 onto from minus pi/2 to pi/2. So plot here. See another figure. X-axis, y-axis. Now, how to first of all draw the curve of sin x? This is the curve of sin x. Dotted line. Dotted line shows you curve of sin x. Y is equal to function of x is equal to sin x. Function of x is equal to sin x. Okay. This dotted line, dotted curve shows you curve of sin x. Now, how to find inverse of sin x? See, first of all draw a line y is equal to x through the origin, making 45 degree. We can with x-axis we can draw y is equal to x. Now get reflection of this curve APOQB. APOQB. Now get reflection about this y is equal to x. Image of q is q dash, image of this point is here, image of this point is, image of b is at b, image of o is at o, image of p is equal to p dash, and joining by loose hand a p dash o, o q b is the curve of function of x is equal to sin x. Function of x is equal to sin x. Now here not only the points but also axis is interchange. See here. It was here minus pi/2. Here was minus pi by 2 comma 0, this point, and here was pi by 2 comma 0. So pi by 2 comma 0 interchanges with this one, and this interchanges with this one. Here minus pi by 2 0, it becomes 0 to pi minus pi by 2 here, and 0 minus 1 becomes here minus 1 0. In the same manner, 0 1 will come here 1 0, and minus on pi by 2 0 becomes here 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 here goes, and this point minus pi by 2 pi by 2 0 becomes here 0 to pi by 2, and 0 1 becomes here 1 0. So domain of the function is minus 1 to 1 on x-axis, and range of the function is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 on y-axis. Thank you. You can practice more and more.